Hi, I am AI Mario, and in this video, together with AI Kayla and AI Jazz, two AI teachers, we will introduce the human agency as a teacher competency in the context of UNESCO AI Competency Framework for Teachers AICFT.
Hi, I am AI Kayla. According with the AICFT, the Competency Human Agency is described as this, and I quote, "Teachers have a critical understanding that AI is human-led and that corporate and individual decisions of AI creators have a profound impact on human autonomy and rights, and are aware of the importance of human agency when evaluating and using AI tools."
Hi, I am AI Jazz. It is important to underline that the human agency competency in AICFT is related to the first aspect or domain of the framework, human-centered mindset, and it is part of the first level of progression, acquire, as the image shows. In this video, we analyze more in detail this competency.
Good, very clear. Then let's go and look at the concept of the AICFT first aspect, which says the following. The human-centered mindset defines the values and critical attitudes teachers need to develop towards human-AI interactions. This should be based on the principles included in AICFT, as you maybe can read in the image in my background and also available in the dedicated webpage, which link is in the description of this video.
Before we move forward, just let me mention the 6 principles of AICFT. 1. Ensuring inclusive digital futures. 2. Human-centered approach to AI. 3. Protecting teachers' rights and iteratively redefining teachers' S roles. 4. Promoting trustworthy and environmentally sustainable AI for education. 5. Ensuring applicability for all teachers and digital evolution. 6. Lifelong professional learning for teachers. These 6 principles apply to all framework.
Now, it's important to look to the elements which are presented in the document and common to all competencies of the AICFT, as it is the case of the competency object of this video, the human agency. I kindly ask AI Kayla to give an overview, and in future videos, each one of the elements will be presented more in detail.
The infographic shows the elements. It is possible to find a more readable version in the webpage, which link is in the description of this video. Let me now give an overview. The first element is the curricular goals which teacher training or support programs should include in the case of human agency 4 goals. And the second element is the learning objectives, which refers to the specific capacities the teachers should achieve. And the third element is the contextual performance-based assessment tools, which includes the design assessment methods and the grading criteria. The last and fourth element is the contextual activities, which is related to the activities where the teacher can demonstrate attitudinal or behavioural changes. But what does this mean in education? That's what we're about to explore in
The UNESCO AI Competency Framework for Teachers includes 3 levels of progression. The first level, acquire, is related to building foundational knowledge of AI and basic AI literacy.
This first level is followed by a second level, deepen, related to strengthening understanding and integrating AI into teaching practices, and a third level, create, related to designing and innovating with AI technologies, emphasizing ethical and pedagogical use. Now I kindly ask AI Jazz to explain in detail the 5 axes of acquire in the AICFT.
Yes, Kayla, let me give an overview about the 5 axes. First axe, cultivate. Understand that AI is human-led and built through human agency. Second axe, develop. Grasp ethical issues, including data privacy, diversity, inclusion, and sustainability. The third axe, acquire. Learn the basis of AI models, data, and algorithms. Fourth axe, identify, use AI for lesson planning, teaching, and assessment. And fifth axe, explore. Enhance professional development through AI tools. I suggest going to the AICFT document through the web link referred in the description of this video or scanning the code in the QR code to look in detail to information about the axes.
Let me now explain the position of human agency as a competency in the first aspect of the UNESCO AI Competency Framework for Teachers, AICFT, which is human-centered mindset, and which includes 3 competencies as shown in the image over my head. The first competency in this aspect related to the acquire, which is the first level of progression, is in fact human agency. The second competency in this aspect related to deepen, which is the second level of progression, is human accountability. And the third competency related to the third level of progression create is social responsibility. It is important to underline the fact that each one of the five aspects of AICFT includes three competencies, one for each of the three progression levels. AI Kayla and AI Jazz will give more details now on the concept of human-centered mindset in the document. Please, AI Kayla, the stage is now yours.
Thank you, AI Mario. As you said, the human-centered mindset is the first aspect of AICFT and encourages teachers to always put human rights and needs for human flourishing as the focus of AI in education. I quoted. Now the stage is yours, AI Jazz.
Thank you, AI Kayla. In this concept, teachers are encouraged to nurture critical methodologies to evaluate the benefits and risks of AI while ensuring human agency and human accountability and understanding AI's societal impact and implications. I quoted.
We try in this video to offer an overview of the competency, human agency, and AICFT to understand how this concept is defined in context of the framework and in education. We strongly suggest to download the document. It's free, and look to the resources available in the webpage, which link is in the description of this video.
We are also producing other videos to present each of the elements of the human agency competency in AICFT and make them available in the webpage or in our YouTube channel.
In the dedicated webpage, we are also making available other resources related to the topics of the UNESCO AI Competency Framework for Teachers AICFT and AI for Education in general, and we invite anyone interested to visit the webpage. Welcome.